Hi, I'm Andy from Stream, and today I'm going to show you how to fit a mesh strip curtain. The curtain consists of two parts, one of which is a backing plate, and the backing plate gets fitted first. So what I've done here is I have drilled a couple of holes in place ready to fit, and I have gone in 125 millimeters from each end. And the reason for this, first of all, is just so that when the strip curtain hangs it's balanced, but secondly is to move away from the corner of the door itself, because in here is an insert and I want to avoid hitting that with the screw. So another thing to bear in mind is that the backing plate has two lips on it, one of which is quite a bit longer than the other, and we need to make sure that when this is fitted that the longest lip goes to the top. And the reason is that the curtain slots up into the lip and then drops down to hold it into position. So now what I'm going to do is put this into position, and what I've already done is pre-drilled two holes. And what I've used is countersunk screws, and the reason for that is to make sure that the screw head is flat against the plate when this is fitted, to avoid causing an obstruction for the strip when it goes into place. So what I've done is position this so that it relates to the measurements that I took when I originally measured for the curtain. So now that's the header in place. If we have a longer header, then what you can do is fit a screw in the middle to give it additional support. So what I should now do is just go and get the curtain, and we'll come and hang it up. Now the beauty of this product is it's quite a simple operation hereafter. So what I do, as I explained earlier, is I take the head and I put it up into the deeper channel at the top, push it flat and let it drop down, and you'll hear it just slot into position there. There's a little bit of adjustment side to side to make it lines up. Now you'll see here that because I fitted it in accordance with how I measured it, that we've got a nice clearance just above the threshold to let the screen move to and fro as you move through it. So that is a screen fitted, and if you do have any questions, then there's plenty of information on the product page.